coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovich. If you've never been here before, guess what? You're in for a treat. Weekend at the Cottage is all about making you feel like every day is the weekend. What's wrong with that? If you've not been here before, please subscribe to our website. Also look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel. You're probably watching this video here right now, and if you are, click for notifications and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Finally, on your favorite social media platforms, look for us there too. Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Carol and I had a huge discussion about this post because it's not very complicated, easy to prepare, not a whole bunch of ingredients, yet the taste sensation is memorable. Try it and you will find out what all the fuss is about. We're gonna make radish toast two ways, traditional and then a Weekend at the Cottage version. Let's start with traditional. We're gonna take a favorite bread, in this case a 9-grain, into your toaster to your preferred doneness, and then out on a counter, the traditional version, a generous spread of your favorite butter. Main ingredient is radish. Because they grow in the ground, we need to make sure we wash them thoroughly. Then I like to dry them off, trim off the ends, and then very thinly slice them. They now go on top of that buttered piece of toast. And then last two ingredients, how about a sprinkling of kosher salt, and then if you'd like, you're gonna have a little bit of fresh black pepper. That's it. It is a taste sensation I encourage you to try, but of course, you're gonna wanna make our version. For the Weekend at the Cottage version of radish toast, I took a beautiful onion bread, toasted it up, and then instead of the creamy butter, I'm adding creamy ricotta cheese. Look how beautiful it is as I put it onto the toasted bread. Next, we're gonna do a boost of fresh flavor, compliments of a little sprinkle of microgreens. If you can find them, fantastic. When you go to add your radish on top of this one, I want you to think you're like a chef in a fancy restaurant. Move them about to create a really beautiful presentation. A last couple of ingredients back with that kosher salt, which is so essential to the flavor of the radish. We're gonna do a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, and then right at the end, how about some chopped chive? Toss it on top, and you're left with a very beautiful presentation. Whether you're doing the classic radish toast or the Weekend at the Cottage version, I think you're really gonna enjoy this wonderful taste sensation. Certainly preparing it is worth a toast in itself. Here's to you on your efforts to make it. After that, please come back and visit again soon. We're always here to make every day entertaining. Oh, wait, I have to try this, make sure I like it. So fantastic, try it.